Hey KJ, what you doing, KJ?
I'm playing with my pet right now.
You doing what?
Playing with my pet.
Whoa. Hey, Zoe, we going upstairs with KJ. Hey, all right. Hey Kevin, I thought they would take it out your hand. I thought they would take it out your hand, Kevin. Hey, give me Joy. You want to give me Joy? Hey Kevin, you scared? Oh, you running out of popcorn, buddy. You running out, they gonna get mad when you run out, Kevin. Ah, you got scared. He was gonna take it from you. Bird, did you say bird?
Zoe is trying to get over. Hey Zoe, you see the birds? You see the birds, Zoe? Hey, can you get another popcorn?
It's too late. Kevin, they just used you and abused you. They only wanted you for the food. After the food is gone, buddy, they ain't not gonna want you no more. Okay, yeah, I gotta, it's getting ready to start raining. I got to turn this camera off.